We say on Wednesday and in the morning. But what about Wednesday morning? Do we say on Wednesday morning or in Wednesday morning? Which one do you think is correct? Let me know in the comments. The correct answer is on Wednesday morning. But why? Let me break it down for you. We use on for specific days and dates. For example, on Monday, on Tuesday, or on Wednesday. In is used with parts of the day. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. We also use in with months like in January and years like in 2026. But why do we say on Wednesday morning instead of in Wednesday morning? Because in this phrase, we are referring to a specific day, which is on Wednesday. This means that the day takes priority over the part of the day, which is the morning. The tip is just remember, whenever the day is mentioned, on wins. In short, use on for days and dates and use in with parts of the days, months, and years. Now, let's put this into practice. Which one do you think is correct, on Saturday afternoon or in Saturday afternoon? Let me know in the comments. Until then, take care and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!